Dive 589 on Shoal in Plymouth, England, and from April 2023. Starting off, we have some of these Inglefield clips here. I think this is just fairly recent debris off a boat. And then we have a couple of European edible sea urchins. There's one on that rock and another one there. Here we have a spiny starfish. And then we made our way through the kelp. As you can see, visibility was rather low on this dive, and therefore prevented us from seeing anything particularly interesting. But another starfish there, as well as a cotton spinner. Here we have an edible crab. And then in a second, into frame, will swim a Goldsinny wrasse. Here we have a spiny spider crab on the side of one of the rocks. And a couple more spiny starfish. And another cotton spinner. Relatively short video today, as this wasn't the most interesting dive in the world. Here we have another spider crab. This one has a look at me as I go past. Another spiny starfish there, and I think a baby starfish below it. And finishing off, we have a couple of spiral fan worms, a pair on either side of that rock there, and then here is a cluster of them all together. Overall, about a 38-minute dive, maximum depth of 13 meters.